In this video, we're gonna talk about 10 fun side hustles that can make you $500 a month in 2025. Now, these aren't the normal typical side hustles that everyone is doing right now. We're gonna get creative with some of these. So stay tuned. Hey there, welcome back to PennyCrest. Smart money moves, one penny at a time. If you're new here, we help you take control of your finances with simple, actionable advice on saving money. Tired of boring side jobs? Let's flip the script and talk fun ways to earn an extra $500 a month in 2025. Let's dive in. There are many ways that you can make money on the side. However, most of them you've probably heard of already. The thing is, even though you might have heard of them, you may not have taken action. So today I want to help you get motivated by giving you 10 different side hustles that you could potentially do and make at least $500 a month with. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Number 1. Online freelancing. This is one of the most popular side hustles out there right now because you can do it anywhere in the world and you can work your own hours. If you have any type of skill, whether it be writing, editing, graphic designing, you name it, you can put it to use and start freelancing online. Number 2, print-on-demand stores. With platforms like Etsy and Shopify, anyone can start their own print-on-demand store. All you need to do is find a good product to sell and design a nice print for it. Then you can start selling it online and making some good profits. Number 3, virtual assistant VA. If you're good at organizing and managing things, then being a virtual assistant could be a great side hustle for you. There are many people out there who need help with administrative tasks and other things around their business. And if you can provide that help, then they will pay you well for it. Number 4, tutoring or teaching online. Are you good at a certain subject? Maybe you're good at math or science, or maybe you speak another language fluently. Whatever it is, you can put your knowledge to use and start tutoring or teaching online. There are many websites where you can find students who need help in your area of expertise. Number 5, delivery driving or biking. This is another popular side hustle right now, especially with the rise of food delivery services. You can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. And you can do it in your own vehicle or even a bike. Number 6, selling digital products. If you're creative, then you can make digital products such as ebooks, courses, and sell them online. This is a great way to share your knowledge and skills with others while making some extra money. Number 7, drop shipping. This is a popular side hustle that you can start with little to no money. All you need to do is find a good product to sell and a reliable supplier. Then you can start drop shipping it to customers and making some profits. Number 8, pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, then this is a perfect side hustle for you. You can pet sit or dog walk in your own neighborhood and set your own hours. Number 9, affiliate marketing. This is a great way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products or services. You can do it through a blog, social media, and if you get a commission on any sales that you make. Number 10, rent out what you own. Do you have a spare room in your house? Maybe you have a car that you don't use often. You can rent it out to people in your area and make some extra money. Websites like Airbnb and Turo make it easy to list your space or vehicle and set your own prices. So hopefully this video has given you some ideas for side hustles that you can start in 2025. Remember, it's never too late to start earning extra income. Do you have any other side hustle ideas that we didn't mention in this video? Leave them in the comments below and we'd love to hear from you. And that's it for this video. Want to hit your savings goal faster? Watch this next. It's all about how to save $1,000 quickly this year. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.